Remember being told not to crack your knuckles or you'll get arthritis? Well, guess what? It's time to debunk this myth. That popping sound isn't your bones grinding together. It's actually tiny gas bubbles in your joint fluid bursting. Studies have shown no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. In fact, one doctor cracked the knuckles on just one hand for 60 years to prove it. So go ahead, pop away if you want, your joints are safe. But maybe don't do it in public, it still drives people crazy. Next time someone scolds you, hit them with this knowledge bomb. Crack on, my friends.